with new compact SUVs from Jaguar and Alfa Romeo, the BMW X3 faces stiffer competition than ever. For 2018, BMW is bringing out an all-new X3, with a 355 horsepower M40i performance model at the top of the heap. That makes it the most powerful X3 ever, at least, until the V8-powered X3 M arrives. The X3 M40i's 3.0-liter single-turbo inline-six engine is shared with the fastback X4 M40i and similar to the unit used in the new 540i. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that, with launch control, helps the X3 M40i run from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. All-wheel drive is standard for all US-bound 2018s, but BMW promises a far more pronounced rear bias for the M40i. The M40i also receives M Sport exhaust, M Sport brakes, variable ratio steering, 19-inch wheels, and sportier suspension tuning. Adaptive dampers, as well as 20 and 21-inch wheels, are optional. In the US, the base model X3 receives BMW's new 2.0-liter four-cylinder, which makes 248 horsepower in this application, paired to an 8-speed automatic. For 2018, the X3's wheelbase grows by 2.2 inches, but otherwise, it's almost exactly the same size as the outgoing model. The new four-cylinder X3 gains just 6 pounds over the old model, while the M40i is 47 pounds heavier than the 2017 X3 xDrive 35i. That extra weight is offset nicely by an increase of 55 horsepower, though. Inside, the X3 looks a lot like the new 5 Series, which is no bad thing, since that sedan offers impressive amounts of tech and luxury. Also ported from the 5 Series is BMW's latest suite of active safety features and semi-autonomous technology. For what it's worth, BMW is making a big deal about the fact that the X3 will be the company's first SUV to be offered with a factory-installed tow hitch. That's cool, I guess. Pricing for the 2018 X3 has yet to be announced, but BMW says both the 4- and 6-cylinder versions should arrive at US dealers in November. This new X3 doesn't seem radically different from its predecessor, but that's sort of the BMW way.